Hey Canadian friends, I've got some great news to share with you. And in this short video, I wanted to invite you on a health and wellness journey. We have planned out February, March, April, May, all the way to June, filled up with activities that you can come and join me. Yes, I'm inviting you to come and meet me at one of these events because I am going to introduce you to Canada's premium health and wellness brand. Of course, I'm talking about Camel Care. This is called the gold of the desert. Just like in the Wild West, they were going after gold. In the Mongolian desert, this is considered gold because it's so valuable for health and wellness, for protection, for therapeutic purposes. Those of you with pains, if you wake up in the morning and you have any pains of any sort, you got to get in touch with us. Whether it's in your hands, or in your feet, or in your belly, or in your back, we have developed products for all of your body parts to get you going all the way to age 100. If you like to see our catalog, just message me. We'll email you a catalog. This is a direct sale online. If you like any of the items or you see the descriptions that matches your conditions, you can then request to have the products delivered to you. I personally love an educated customer. That is why we put a lot of time in educating ourselves about health and wellness. When the product is introduced properly to a professional, then they can make a decision whether it's this year or it's next year or it's next month or it's this week. These socks will be available at the pharmacy near you. So if you have a pharmacy near you, and we're growing, I like you to go there and ask them if they have Camel Care socks. And if he says, what is it? Just send them this video, because Camel Care socks have helped thousands of Canadians find comfort, health, and relief from crucial pains of arthritis, discomfort of diabetes that puts pressure on the heart and all of your body parts. See, it's never too late to start a unique idea. You know how I know this? Because there's so many examples out there. My favorite one, Colonel Sandals, you know, Popeye fried chicken. He started his first store at 65 and still failed. But his Kentucky Fried Chicken is all over the world now. It is not too late. Berkshire Hathaway founder is worth $130 million. He made 99.9% of his money after the age of 50. Examples are too many. The one that you might drive is my favorite, Ford, which the founder of Ford, Mr. Ford, did not have his T model until he was age 45. So it's never too late to focus on your how, the 3. H for health and wellness, to have optimum. O, to organize systems that can help you out. I'm going to send you a catalog. You decide. 3, wealth creation. Friends, you have one chance because we met here. There are chances like this, one in a lifetime. Send me a message. I'll send you our catalog. See what you think. Have a great day. See you soon.